Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Xbox/Microsoft account linked to your Fortnite purchases. This matters because digital funds are account-bound. Once signed in, go to Store Redeem or use Xbox.com/redeem and enter the 25-character code. Make sure the card value shows in dollar and that you choose the same region as your Fortnite account. Mismatched regions block purchases. If using a console, open Guide Store, redeem to scan or type the code directly. Once your Microsoft balance reflects the redeemed amount, launch Fortnite while signed into that same account. Consistency prevents lost purchases. Go to the item shop and pick the V-Bucks pack or bundle you want, because Fortnite converts dollars to V-Bucks at set rates. When prompted at checkout, choose Microsoft account balance as the payment method so the redeemed funds apply automatically. Then confirm the purchase. The game will credit V-Bucks to your Epic account tied to this Xbox profile. To finish, verify your V-Bucks balance inside Fortnite. Sometimes a quick restart forces the update, so do that first. If the Microsoft balance never appeared, review redeem history on account. Microsoft.com and confirm the region and account email. Mismatches are the most common issue. Should funds be deducted but no V-Bucks arrive, take a screenshot of receipts and contact Microsoft support first. Then Epic Games with the transaction ID so they can trace and restore the purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.